Hi everyone, it is Melissa with Sew Yours. Today I've got something brand new for you. We are expanding and we are now offering apparel fabrics here at Sew Yours. So behind me we've got all of our double brushed poly apparel fabrics. I brought in 15 exclusive prints that I designed and 12 coordinating solids. After sewing with every type of knit fabric out there, I found myself reaching for the double brushed poly time and time again. It is by far my favorite jersey knit fabric. It has a four-way stretch with great recovery. The most important thing is it is buttery soft. It feels amazing against your skin. You don't need to iron it in most cases. Little to no ironing is needed. It's just wash and wear, so that is another reason why I love the double brush poly. Our exclusive prints are 250 grams per square meter. They have enough weight for leggings, dresses, and tops while still draping beautifully. The solids are 180 grams per square meter. They're lighter, breathable, and perfect for layering pieces, summer tops, or to pair with prints for bands, cuffs, and accents. I've also taken the guesswork out of color matching. Each exclusive print has at least one coordinating solid, so you can mix and match with confidence. Use the print for your main garment and solids for your bands, cuffs, or leggings. You'll see these matchmaker pairings featured in the product listings just like this. The best part is how easy it is to sew double brush poly. You can absolutely use a domestic sewing machine with a zigzag stitch or a stretch stitch. I usually serge mine and then top stitch with my cover stitch, but you don't need any special machines to get great results. If you've only sewn bags or quilts before, don't let apparel intimidate you. Double brush poly is one of the easiest knits to sew with. It stretches, recovers well, and small mistakes don't stand out. Apparel sewing is really rewarding, whether it's a t-shirt, leggings, or a casual dress. You'll end up with something handmade that fits your body and your style. That is another reason why I like to make my own clothing. Because I am only 4'11", most of the store-bought clothes are way too long on me, so I can customize the fit to fit my petite figure. To go along with the fabrics, we've added patterns to the shop. I hand-picked simplicity patterns that are perfect for knits, like double brush poly, plus a few woven styles. We also brought in McCall patterns, which are mostly for wovens, so now you've got options no matter what fabric you're working with. We also added elastic in different widths for waistbands, swimwear, and clear elastic along with elastic thread. And don't forget your maxi lock serger thread. The garments I modeled in the photos here today were sewn with Ellie and Mac patterns, which are some of my go-tos for knit fabrics like double brush poly. If you want to try them out, I've included my affiliate links in the description box below. You can shop the double brush poly fabrics, thread, elastic, and the sewing patterns on our website at sewyours.com. Now, let me know what you're going to be making with your double brush poly fabric. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.